This is Will with GWA Auto. I'm here with the AA ignition passenger side or right side B-pillar trim. This trim is compatible with 2008 to 2016 Dodge Town & Country, 2008 to 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is made of robust construction. It's already in the OEM pillar color. It has the factory mounting points and already has double-sided sticky tape for easy install and a snug fit. This replaces factory part number 5020664AA. Thank you for checking out this part from GWA Auto.